How to fix audio quality on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch any of your web application and at the top search bar type in discord.com. Get logged into your Discord account. Then here you will see your name. Click on to settings. Scroll below and click on to voice and video or video and voice. Now under here, zoom into your screen and under input device, make sure that you have toggled on default mode. Do the same for output device as well. You can also try and test your input volume and your output volume. Once done, under input mode, make sure you have toggled on voice activity instead of push to talk. Put this in between. Now under choose a server, make sure that you have toggled on all server instead of your specific servers. And scroll below under voice processing, toggle on echo cancellation. Under noise suppression, toggle on standard. And once done, this is how you can fix your audio quality on Discord. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.